What is it? Come on, say it normal. What I just told you. I'm not talking Okay, this is it now. Sailing on the boat. I'm sailing on the boat. I'm sailing, sailing, sailing. Now what? We're gonna see what this Pig! Why is there a pig? It's Zara! What did you think? This looks easy to carry on. Let's go, yeah. Where's the lightsaber? I don't have it. I have. Stupid. David can have it. Stupid. We're getting attacked! Fire the cannon! Okay, fire the cannon. Ow! I've done nothing. I'm laughing. Why did you poke my ship? That does nothing. What's is there? They're signing us through. 2, 1. Is it? Now that we're all gone, we have to go. Wee. That was close. Yeah, I know it was. Who said that? Oh, right. So now, this is just sailing. Come on, that's just. What a lightsaber. Let's suck it in. Skate off. Ah. And stuck it in. Ginger baby, ginger baby. Now we've got his lightsaber. Ginger baby. What's my lightsaber? Oh no, I didn't. Oh yes you did. Oh no, I didn't. Oh yes you did. Look. You see, I did not. You don't know where things are, do you? Just checking the ship. Alright. Woohoo! That was such a bad idea! I nearly got killed by it. That was just dumb. So, now what? Ah! Fine, I get it! Bang. You're very lazy. That was easy. Now for the last way. Oh! Ow, I fell off board. Why? Why did you fall off board? You're just thinking. Oh no! What? You scared me.